Now, if you remember language C or C++, there you have to first declare the data type, then the variable name. Suppose you want to create variable for storing age, then the value and a semicolon if you want to give value from your own side. So int age equal to 16. Right now this is C and C++ statement, so it will give error over here, syntax error. Now in Python, you do not have to worry about the data type. You directly give the variable name and its value if you want to have from your own side. So age is 16, like that. Now similarly, if you have some decimal value, suppose percent, and you want to give it as say 99.9, like this. You may do some operations using the variables. Suppose you have a is equal to say 3, b is equal to say 5. You want to see what will be a plus b. You want to see what is a into b, like that. Try the use of the variables in Python. Thank you.